Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are studying chapter number 20. Today topic is mutation. The cells of eukaryotic cells contain a numerous amount of DNA. If the DNA in all the cells of the adult humans were lined up end to end, it would stretch nearly 100 billion kilometers, 60 times the distance from Earth to Jupiter. Changes in the DNA occur either due to the mistake in the replication or damage to the genetic message causing the mutation. The mutation in the somatic cells do not pass on to the offsprings and so have little evolutionary consequences than the germ line changes. The mutation in the germ line cells is passed to the subsequent generations, thus providing the raw material from which natural selection produced the evolutionary changes. Mutations can broadly be classified as chromosomal aberrations and a point mutation. Chromosomal aberrations are the mega changes which involve the presence of an extra chromosomes or loss of chromosomes from the diploid number of the chromosomes, or changes like deletion, insertion, inversions, etc. in parts of the chromosome. Such chromosomal aberrations lead to the syndromes like Down syndromes, Klinefelter syndromes. Point mutations are mutational changes which affect the message itself, producing the alternation in the sequence of DNA nucleotide. If alternation involve only one or few base pair in the coding sequence, these are called as point mutations. While some point mutations occur due to the spontaneous pairing errors that occur during the DNA replication, other results from the damage to the DNA caused by the mutagens, usually radiations or chemicals. The latter classes of the mutation is of the particular importance because modern industrial societies often releases many chemicals, mutagens in the environment. Sickle cell anemia and phenylketonuria are the well-known examples of point mutation, both of which have been discussed. In the sickle cell anemia, a point mutation leads to the changes of amino acid glutamic acid into the valine at the position 6 from N-terminal and in the hemoglobin beta chain. The consequently alters the tertiary structure of hemoglobin molecule, reducing its ability to carry out the oxygen. In phenylketonuria, phenylalanine is not degraded because of the defective enzyme phenylalanine hydrolase. Phenylalanine consequently accumulates in the cells, leading to the mental retardation as the brain fails to develop in infancy. This disorder is because of the point mutation. If no mutations occur, normal B protein is produced by the B genes. Point mutation base substitution of one or few bases A, B, C. B protein is inactive because changed amino acid disrupts the function. Insertion, addition of one or few bases. B protein is inactive because inserted material disrupts proper shape. Deletion, loss of one or few bases. B protein is inactive because the portion of the protein is missing. Changes in the gene position. Transposition, B gene or B protein may be regulated differentially because of the changes in the gene position. Chromosomal rearrangement. B genes may be inactivated or regulation differentially in its location on the chromosomes. Thanks for watching.